Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, we continue to talk about this as our dry spell grows to 22 days. And we have no real chance of precipitation until at least Monday or Tuesday next week. And that does not look like a lot. So right now we're at a 22-day dry spell. Easily could get to 26. And with the dry ground, the low humidity, and the wind we're expecting, we're going to talk about this, the enhanced fire danger. Now, a red flag warning has not been issued, but it might. And what does a red flag warning mean? It means that fire conditions are imminent or happening, and it is issued with when there's gusty winds, sustained average of 15 miles per hour or greater. We're going to have that on Thursday and Friday. Low humidity, dry ground, relative humidity less than or equal to 25%. Going to be right around that criteria. We certainly have the dry ground and high temperatures, 75 degrees or higher. Now, it may not get that high, but they may kind of regionally do it. They still may issue one or a fire weather watch, so we'll see how that goes. We're still going to be close to 70 degrees, so kind of interesting. So don't be surprised tomorrow if a red flag warning is issued. And the reason why we're so dry is an upper level ridge in the western part of the country into the middle part of the country. Keeps the clouds away, keeps the rain away, and keeps the temperatures up as a lot of storminess goes on in the eastern Pacific. And what's going to happen here as we go through Wednesday and into the weekend, this ridge is going to move right overhead. So this keeps the unseasonably warm weather in place, the continued dry weather in place. And what happens to the west coast is they get bombarded as those storm systems move inland. And so as we go into the weekend, a storm is going to form in the southwest and pound California. This may be the first system in a series that will make us a little more active and increase our chances of precipitation. Might even see a snow before the month is over. That's the other story. We have not had a snowless February since 1892. We're headed in that direction, but that could change as these systems come in. But not until Monday or Tuesday. And so what that means is very stormy weather for California. The drought trying to come to an end out there with all the precipitation. Really incredible. So let's go through this here day by day. Today, warm front will be off to our west and not much wind, so it's dry near 50, 60s to the west, 30s to the north and east. Then on Thursday, the warm front moves off to this northeast. We become windy. It increases our high fire danger here as we have a west-southwest wind, and highs tomorrow will be near 70 degrees with 70s out to the west. No precipitation and abundant sunshine. Then on Friday, same kind of thing happens. We continue with the high fire danger here. Let's go back to that. Let's pause that. I want to go back to this one right here. Let's go back here and take a look at that. So a high fire danger, 68 to 75 on Friday as well. And what we need is rain. That's how it puts an end to this. And there is quite a system Friday into Saturday for Southern California. And that system will move our way for early next week, maybe bringing us a little bit of rain. But it doesn't look like a great chance. How much rain are we expecting? Look at California. Over 2 inches in San Francisco, over 4 inches, close to 5 in Los Angeles. Not good news for the Oroville Dam situation in central and northern California. And the Southern California needs the rain to kind of put an end to the drought. They could use more. They are going to get plenty. For us, 0.6 of an inch. And that would be mostly on Monday. So, not much rain. And it's not enough to end any kind of dry spell or anything like that. So as we look at our forecast hour by hour today, 51 today, down to around 38 by midnight. But look at 7 in the morning. It starts to go back up to around 40 degrees as winds pick up out of the south and the warmer air surges in. Not a cloud in the sky. 69 on Thursday, Friday 70, 68 Saturday, 70 Sunday, 71 Monday, and 72 Tuesday. Absolutely crazy. And maybe that little bit of rain on Monday or Tuesday, but it doesn't look like a lot, but we'll take anything we can get. Have a great rest of your week and weekend.